Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel IT 360. I am Irshad. Today I am going to teach you how to delete a user in O365. For that, first try to log in to your O365 portal with your admin credentials. That is portal.office.com. So this is your home page and click on the admin gear icon to proceed with your admin center. So this is your O365 admin center, and as I said in my previous video, like how to reset a password, and you have two options. So similarly here also, to delete a user you have the two options. So in the home screen itself you have one option to delete a user. If you want to use this option, you can use this option, or else you have the another options. So from the active users list you can just simply click the user and you can able to delete. So this is your active users list, and I'm gonna to delete how I'm gonna to teach you like how to delete a user. So just simply click on the user which you want to delete, and here you can find the option to delete a user. So simply click on the button, and here you will get the confirmation to permanently delete this user. So here you can find the option that is a delete user tab and proceed to delete. And once you read this information carefully, proceed for the confirmation. So now you can see this user has been deleted, and once the user has been deleted, these users will move to deleted users list. That means you can restore the user and their data within 30 days from the date of deletion. So if you are thinking that you had deleted this user by accidentally, or once you deleted, and if you are thinking that this user you wants to retrieve it, you can simply retrieve this user from the deleted users list. So again you can see here the deleted users option. Here you can see the users which you had deleted recently, and as I said, from the date of deletion within 30 days you can retrieve this user without loss of any data. So if you want to retrieve this user, so just click on it and restore the user. So again it will ask to reset the password. If you want to generate the password automatically, you can just simply click on auto generate password. So here I'm gonna to select the option auto generate password. Or if you want to set the password by your own, you can click on the second option. So as I said in my previous videos, you can enable this option as per your choice, or you can disable it. So here I'm gonna select the first option and I'm gonna restore this user. So here you can see this user has been restored successfully with the revised credential. So if you want to receive these credentials to your email directly, you can put your email address here and you can click on the send email tab to receive these credentials. And if you want to see this user is successfully restored, so you can simply click on the and check under active users list. So here you can see the John Abraham Matthew, which the user which we had deleted recently, and we have restored successfully. So this is the method to delete a user permanently and to restore the user within the date of deletion. That is the time duration is within 30 days. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to receive more videos similarly like this, you can subscribe to my channel IT360, and also you can click on the bell icon to receive the updated videos. And also I have placed my videos link under the description, and you can go through all this video to get clear ideas about Office 365. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for your watching. Thank you. Bye.